Good day guys, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today I'm gonna talk about a frequent problem in the C-Class Mercedes Benz, the W204. This is my C250 2012, and the problem is the climate control is not working at all, and when I turn on my car, fan would jump to the highest speed. There are two solutions for this problem mainly, and we're gonna begin with the easiest one now, and I'm gonna talk about the second solution. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna turn on the ignition and try to turn on the AC unit, but as you can see it's not working. So we're gonna check the fuses in the engine compartment, and this is the fuse number 12 that we're gonna check and replace it, and to see if the problem will be fixed. It looks fine for me. In all cases we're gonna replace it to see if the problem will be fixed. You can see that it's still not working. And you can hear the fan. So I have to change this whole control unit and the problem would be fixed definitely. Now I've connected my scanner to make sure that the problem relies in the control panel itself. As seen here, the air condition, there's no communication, I guess. So the control module, as you can see, is inoperative. Control module is required to be programmed. So I guess this is our problem, guys, and I'm gonna try to replace this control unit and you know what would happen. In order to remove and replace the AC control unit, we have to remove all parts before that. So we've got this part and the duct, the radio, and then the unit. So you need a prior tool so you can pry this out. And from this side in here, from both sides, there are clips that you have to push inward from this side and from the other side to the left, and we're gonna remove this totally and then disassemble the radio to get to the AC control unit.
Calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo,
now to remove the radio, we got these two T20 bolts. We have to untighten them and release the unit and pull the radio.
Baby, come give me your lo. You got me like
Now with the screwdriver we need to apply pressure on the mounting of the bolts.
Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my fine situation I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she no one follow.
Remove these two T20s so we can pull out this unit.
Then I start to feel a bum bum. She dey give me small one. I know, say she's a bit pass it down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends could they go my light ring go on. Could they go my light ring go on. Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no.
Finally, we're gonna buy a new control unit, replace it, and fix the problem. So I bought this new part. It's identical. Mercedes Benz. Okay, and we're gonna replace it.
As I reach my house, I see me got a small wall. As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't walk.
It's working now. Gonna turn on the car. The fan is not on its maximum speed, so we're good. The air condition is working fine also. The problem has been solved with the new control unit. In order to solve this identical problem, first of all, you need to check the fuse box, the actual fuse of the air conditioner, and check it if it's damaged. And if not, the problem is gonna be definitely in the control unit itself. So once you get a new one and install it, the problem would be gone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sure that you could fix this problem by yourself if you would encounter one in the future. And this could be identical for all C-Class, W204, even W202 or W203 models.